To the conclusion of today's symposium, carrying with us a shared dream of a better tomorrow where every girl has the freedom, confidence, and support to exercise her full agency. Let us envision a nation where minds are without fear, where every girl can rise like a bird, soaring beyond barriers, supported by all of us, families, communities, and institutions. That very dream will now come alive in our closing performance presented by Pranti, Sadia, and Mim. After their performance, our stage will remain open and the music will continue. If anyone from the audiences feels inspired to join in with a performance, song, or dance, we warmly invite you to do so. Let's celebrate this day together in joy and solidarity. Finally, we will request all our honorable guests and participants to come forward for a group photo session after the dance performance. Let's close with unity, celebration, and the promise of action. Everyone, we will now enjoy the dance performance by this group.
শত দলে ছুঁয়েছি ভেজা জল